So here are the goodies things I bought for my daughter's first birthday. There are 24 kids coming to her birthday. So instead of buying junks and the useless things, I prefer to buy the things the children can use. I mean, the girls can use these ponies, the dry fruits they can eat, the notebooks, the M&Ms, the storybooks. And there are some games as well, for which I put the big presents like these, like the bath bombs, the notebooks. And for boys, actually my theme is silver, white and pink, turquoise, some turquoise. So for the boys, I bought these silver bags from dollar store there. And for the girls, I bought pink ones. So they are kind of like for $1. There are two. And all of these things, some of them I bought from Burlington store, from Party City, from dollar store, from some of the things I bought from Target. So these are the things. The Father of the Year frame is for the decoration, and also I bought this LED lights banner. There are some other frames as well I bought for her birthday. The room is so messy, so please ignore this other stuff because I have been shopping from like last month. So these are the things. Oh yeah, I also bought some of the toothbrush, the clips, these kind of clips. I mean, for like 1-year-old, 2-year-old. The ponies are for like 5-year-olds, 7-year-olds. These are the stuff I bought.